Assalamualaikum. This is Ayesha from CxO Global Forum, a knowledge sharing platform for all the C levels across Pakistan and around the globe. Every time we have some very interesting guests with us. Today as well, we have Sir Imran with us, who is at the insurance professional, Takaful professional. Sir, how would you introduce yourself?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम first of all. Imran Lakhani, basically I'm an insurance professional. I currently working in associated with Pakata Takaful and working as the head of pricing, underwriting and policy administration. I worked with many companies like IGI Life, Insurance Limited previously, and have the great association with the brokers and the international market. Uh, as far as my educational experience is concerned, I did MBA from Ikra University. I also did a fellowship from Life of Management Association, that is the USA, from USA, and beside along many certifications in order to enhance my skills in insurance or takaful field.
Right. So, sir, what has motivated you to pursue a career in this field, and what do you find most rewarding about your role as head of pricing?
Yeah, basically, it's my hobby to have the to play with the analytics and analysis from the start. Maths is my favorite subject. So insurance is all about maths and risk management. So this is the main reason that I and the main other reason is that I'm working on the life and health products, which is that these two products are very personal products. So I love to work with that. So this is the main reason that I joined the insurance or the takaful industry.
Right. So, what are the key responsibilities that you would like us to know at your current position?
Currently, as I am heading the three departments, 3 or 4 departments, in which to make the product. First is to make the product that is viable for both the customers and the company in terms of profitability. Number two is as we are working in the group companies, so we have to uh, take the risk by calculating the morbidity or mortality rates. And the third department is the medical underwriting. We got the medical questionnaires from the clients on which we decide whether to give them the insurance or whether to charge extra rates or whether to decline. So these are main, and one more is policy admin, that after having once the policy finalized, then we issue the cards and policy document to the clients. After sales service, you can say.
Right. So, sir, how do you approach pricing strategies and policies to ensure the competitiveness and the profitability for the company?
Yes. Basically, there is one body that is a uh, CC, on which we all the insurance company professionals join together and obviously share the ideas and the experience that we or the challenges that we are facing in the insurance industry or the with the particular client. We can discuss this in detail. So from where we got to know that who is offering what and what is the price mechanism. On the other side, the pricing strategies, basically we use the blended pricing strategy. Means once we have the experience of the client, on the other side, we price it on a standard basis. So we blend both of them in order to get the rates. Our motto is to have the prudent underwriting, prudent pricing, so that this benefit for both, either for the client and for the company.
Company. Right. So, sir, can you provide an example of a successful strategy that you have implemented in the past?
Yeah, yeah. I When I worked in IGI Life, I worked for the we used to price the underwriting, or we can say price the analyst for the one of the pooling partner, that is Maxis GBN, that based in UK. So in the history of IGI, I am the one that got the award from Maxis GBN as the underwriting champion award in Asia Pacific region. So that is the major achievement.
Right.
And yeah.
And you know that we always face challenges no matter in which industry you are. So, what are the common challenges that you have faced in your position?
Yeah, main challenge is we can say that when we get the unsolicited information from the client, or we can say not correct information from the client regarding the if I talk about the health insurance, group health insurance, so we can get wrong information, wrong claim history, not complete claim history. So that challenge a lot, and that can not from means the information that they provide us, we can there is a chance of having the wrong pricing, and which can alternatively impact the profitability of the company.
So, how do you stay informed about the recent changes or the trends that are upgoing in this industry? And how would you address them, making the impact on your specific role?
Yeah. As I said that I'm also the member of the underwriting committee. So from where we used to get the information from the market, we discuss the challenges over WhatsApp as well, with the same underwriting professionals in the market of the other companies. So from there, and obviously we used to attend the different conferences that organized by SCCP or other mediums. So from where we got to know about the changes or the uh, 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 changes or challenges that we are facing in the market.
So, sir, everybody faces some risks working in the corporate section. So, how do you balance the need for risk with the company's growth objectives while setting pricing and underwriting policies?
Yeah, as I said, that we design the product in a manner that benefits for both, not for
Right.
one. So, for example, if I give you an example for pre-existing condition, if a person has the pre-existing condition, so we have to make sure the underwriting terms are strict in order to not to give loss to the company. Uh, we have recently launched the investment policy in Park Qatar, in which we are providing the complementary death and accidental death benefits. Uh, and we are providing to individuals as well. So if we allow them to cover the death coverage from day one, then there is a chance a person who is on bed, he invest, and God forbid he die within 1 or 2 days, so he can get his beneficiary or her beneficiary can get the coverage amount. So
Right.
for that, we strictly underwriting guidelines that we apply the waiting period of 6 months in order to avoid this anti-selection impact. So through the underwriting terms and benefits, we apply, or we can save the we can say save the losses that hit to the company.
Right. So, any one, I could say, a challenging moment that you would recall and which went successful later, but you found it very challenging in that position at that time.
Yeah, as I said about the Maxis GBN, that is UK company and the pooling partner of IGL Life. Initially, it was very challenging to price uh, uh, because there is a time difference in UK and Pakistan. So initially, there is a very challenging, but later on, I got the award and very successful.
So, how would you believe that the effective leadership skills would affect your role in the insurance industry?
Yeah. Basically, the role of leadership is very important in any company, not in the insurance industry. In any company, basically, leaders make the new leaders in their own field or capacity. Uh, I also worked on my colleagues that are with me or that report to me. So I continuously try to continuously work on them and try to enhance their soft skills, their and writing skills, and their obviously their leadership skill. There are leadership is the hidden, I can say, attribute in any person. So I try to enhance them and give them the platform so that they can enhance their skills and show their skills to the management or the other part.
Right. So, how do you foster collaboration and communication between your team and other departments within the organization, as communication plays a very important role?
Yeah, basically, in order to ease the communication, you have to make the friends in the other departments. So while making the friends, they can easily do your work easily. So I don't find any challenge in communicating within the department or outside the department. uh,
Right.
I talk about the outside the industry, outside the company. Yes, I have very good relationship with the brokers, digital aggregators that are currently in the market, different insurance companies. So I don't find any difficulty in challenge in collaboration with them.
Right. And what are the technologies or tools that you find most useful in this industry?
Yeah, basically, if as you know that we work on the pricing models, so model are designed by the our actuaries based on based on our experience, based on the incidence rates, mortality rates, morbidity rates. So, for pricing perspective, models are designed by actuaries, and we frequently evaluate those models with the conditions to the Pakistan market. On the other side, if you talk about the policy admin side, so we have the in-house systems that designed by our IT team, and we have almost, alhamdulillah, make the process automatic so that the customer can get the service on one click.
Right. So, sir, outside of work, what are your interests and hobbies that you are passionate about?
Yeah, I do teaching a lot. I
Right.
teach accounts, maths and math subjects, economics subjects. Beside this, I provide consultations to different young minds so that they can enhance their skills. And obviously, cricket is my passion.
Right. What advice would you give to someone who is aspiring their career in specifically your industry?
Yeah, advice is to enhance the soft skills because when I experience when I'm taking the interviews of different young minds, they lack in the MS Office, MS Excel, which is the
Right.
main requirement for the pricing. So I advise them to work on their soft skills, especially the MS Office or the other Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, so they can enhance their once they can enhance their skill, they can be easily adjust in the market.
Right. So, lastly, how do you see the future of pricing, underwriting, and policy administration in evolving?
Yeah, basically AI is the main tool that is the future
Right.
in each industry. So through AI we have to work on the AI. Right now I'm also continuously enhancing my skills, learning a lot so that we can adjust in the market by using these tools. So I think AI is the main tool that is the future for the industry.
Right. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you for everybody for joining us. As we conclude, I hope that our viewers would be able to learn something out of this talk. I truly appreciate the time that you've dedicated to this discussion, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.